This is Peter from NT Realty, helping you buy or sell property in Montenegro. So today we have a beautiful opportunity for you. It's an amazing stone-built house. It needs complete renovation in a prime location next to the seafront in Dobrota. It's currently laid out as 5 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with an extra outside living space as well, indoor and outdoor living space outside. It's a total of 321 square meters of plots and roughly about 180 square meters of living space in the house and another 53 square meters of living space outside the house, and a beautifully kind of vaulted ceiling, almost like a little annex building as well. And as you can see, I'm hands-free today. I've got my phone for my crib sheet, but I actually have a crew with me today, which is really cool. So we'll get over to the drone now, and that's it. We're going to show you a bit of the surrounding areas, and then we're going to take you through the house. So we're standing outside the house. You've got this lovely area here where you can park a couple of cars probably. Let me take you through the place. I'll cover my bold spot here and see what you think. So this area here is phenomenal. I love it. Lovely vaulted ceilings. The area here was actually used as a little local bakery. So back in the day, you know, maybe 100 years ago, you'd actually have lots of these houses with little kind of these like pizza oven style things where they just make the bread for the locals. You've got about 165 square meters of terraces with the house. So you've got indoor, outdoor, and this amazing terrace where I did the intro on the top of the place. So here we are on the terrace. It's quite interesting actually. If you look down the stone, you have this kind of quite famous kind of local stone which is covered in the courtyard. And these steps up onto the upper terrace with these lovely stone balustrades. As I say, it needs a bit of fixing up. Let's take you upstairs. Another awesome bit of living space for outdoors. What I didn't mention to you is actually these beautiful pine trees, but what you can't smell, I can, is a lovely fragrance from the pine trees. You're literally a hop, skip and a jump away from the sea. Down on my left, facing the sea, you have loads and loads of bars and restaurants. Bit of a younger lifestyle down there, you know, really, really cool places. On the right, you're getting the more sophisticated waterside restaurants in Dobrota and spacious here. So a really great choice of nightlife or day life in the area. So let's take you through the house. Obviously, like I said, it does need a full renovation, but fantastic living space. You've got round about, I think it's 74 square meters of livable space. Gross area, including the very, very thick stone walls here, which will look fantastic when they've been revealed. Gross area is about 94 square meters, if I remember rightly. So just want you to get an idea of the space rather than actually looking what you see here, but renovated, it's going to be fantastic. So I'll just take you through the downstairs area. So most important room, the bathroom. And as you can see here, kitchen, dining space. Excellent for storing all your unused, unwise purchases from Amazon. So here, this is obviously done as extra living space or even a spare bedroom. So you could actually have it as 6 bedrooms. My favorite configuration will be 3 bedrooms. But I think the interesting thing here is to imagine the whole of this space all opened out. Some of this beautiful stone revealed, and you can probably keep the bathroom down here, but having a lovely kind of a big open plan space, openings onto the outdoor living space, whether it be the courtyard, the bakery, or the upper terrace. Let's take you upstairs. Oh, sorry, just having a bit of a gin and tonic here while I was waiting. So this is the space here. I think this is fantastic. So we have a bedroom here, bedroom next to it. I think this would make a massive, beautiful master suite. So you'll actually have the 4 windows facing over the terrace and onto the sea. Let me show you the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. So if you can imagine this lovely space here, all opened out, as I said, sort of a master suite, bedroom, walk-in wardrobe, bathroom, be fantastic. The other part of this floor is currently laid out as 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. I also think that it could be fantastic to give you that kind of luxurious space to have that as a 1 bedroom, walk-in wardrobe and bathroom. So this is one of the bedrooms. And then I'll just show you from here, you've got space here for the bathroom and the bedroom. So you can see the space up here. Lots of great space. So I think this is, again, a lovely big bedroom, walk-in wardrobe and bathroom, or it could be a great 2 bedrooms with a shared bathroom. No reason why you can't do that. It's a really great space. Just to point out the stone wall here, you'll have this stone pretty much behind every exterior wall. Fantastic when it's revealed like this, and then beautifully pointed in a sympathetic color. Tip of the day though is only do 1 or 2 walls, don't do the whole thing because it can be a bit distracting. So that's it, so that's the tour of the house. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. We're just sitting at one of the restaurants that I mentioned earlier on, less than 100 meters away from the house. If you have any questions, I'm Peter, NT Realty, and thank you for watching.